Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Honda key fob. This came out of a Honda Civic. So first off, we're going to go over here to the back, and then we're going to use a PH0 size Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and take this small little screw out right here. And then we're going to remove the back cover off of this key. So just pull it out just like that. And then we're going to remove the electronics board. So then there's going to be a tab up here and a tab right here. We're going to use our fingernails and just open it up from the bottom. And then here's going to be your battery. This is a CR1616 battery. Then we're going to use a small little screwdriver. Go in from right here, just as the arrow tells you. Pop it out just like that. So yeah, this is a CR1616. So then we're going to replace our old battery with our new one, and then we're going to put it in just like this. So I found out it works best just like this. There's two little tabs, and then there's a third one up here. Just snap it in just like that. Then we're going to place our cover on the electronics board. Make sure this little tab right here is clipped in, and the bottom one is clipped in. And then there you go, there's the electronics board. We're going to face down, put it back in the key. And then this can be a tricky part right here. So there's a little ledge right there on the back key fob cover. Just set it in there just like that. Make sure it lines in, and then we'll replace our small little Phillips screw. And there you have it.